Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into creative ways to decorate a small living room. Whether you're working with a tight space or just looking for new ideas, we've got you covered with some brilliant tips and tricks to transform your living area into a stylish and functional haven. Choose multifunctional furniture. In small living rooms, every piece of furniture counts. Opt for multifunctional pieces like a sofa bed or an ottoman with storage. Not only do they save space, but they also add practicality to your design. Look for sleek designs that won't overwhelm the room and will give you more flexibility. Go vertical with storage. When floor space is limited, think vertically. Floating shelves, wall-mounted cabinets, and tall bookcases are fantastic solutions for adding storage without taking up precious floor area. These also provide an opportunity to display decorative items that add personality to the room. Use light and neutral colors. Light, neutral colors such as whites, soft grays, and light pastels can make your small living room feel larger and more open. Dark colors may feel cozy, but they tend to shrink a space visually. If you want a pop of color, try adding it through accents like throw pillows, rugs, or artwork. Mirrors for expanding space. Mirrors are a small room's best friend. They reflect light and create the illusion of more space. Consider placing a large mirror across from a window to maximize natural light, or go bold with a mirrored wall to really open things up. Play with scale and proportions. Don't be afraid to play with different scales and proportions when decorating a small living room. While large furniture may seem counterintuitive, a few statement pieces can actually make the space feel more balanced. Mix large and small items, like a bold sofa paired with a slim coffee table, to create harmony. Keep it minimal. In a small space, less is more. Stick to essential items, and avoid overcrowding your room with too much decor or furniture. A minimalist approach with clean lines and thoughtful arrangements will make your living room feel airy and comfortable. Add personal touches. Finally, don't forget to add personal touches that reflect your style and make the space feel like home. Whether it's artwork, plants, or a collection of your favorite books, these details bring warmth and personality to any small living room. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips inspired you to make the most of your small living room. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor ideas and share your own tips in the comments below. See you next time.